This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a review of these gorgeous wool dryer balls. Remember, I made a tutorial on how to make wool dryer balls. I made these and I've been using these and they're so gorgeous. So what happened was the company has saw my tutorial and they fell in love with it. So they asked me if I can do a review. So they send me 2 boxes of these dryer balls and they're about 6 pieces in each. I love the way how they put them in these felted cases. I wish I can do that, but I don't have enough wool to do that. Anyways, these balls are made from New Zealand wool. They're white. They're about 7 centimeter. I would say an inch, about 3, maybe 4. And they're 6 pieces, and each weighs about 40 grams. So I opened one, so I'm going to review on one of the product. And this is how they look like. So I opened it just in front of you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using them in my dryer balls, and I'm going to see what's the difference. The tutorial that I made after I made the tutorial, I've been using them and I just love it. I just love it how my towels are so soft. And the dryer just cuts in like half speed when I put it in the dryer. And I just wanted to point that out. So I will be doing a review. I have a couple of loads sitting here. So I'm going to be doing some washing. And I will do the review with you guys. And after that, next week I will be doing a drawing to give this away. The lucky person will be getting these for free. So I will ship them to. So for next Friday, I will do the drawing. So Friday, that would be next Friday. September, let me check my calendar. That would be September 28th. I will be do a drawing. Well, I'll cut it off, so I'll do that. I usually do it on the night. I load it, so it would be Thursday. So the Thursday would be cut off. It's open right now, as if it's on the air. And when I do the drawing, I will do another video about it, and I will do it in front of you. And I will just do the random pick. And so please do comment below to get this free wool dryer. And if you want to purchase it, I will put the link below. And the company, the Becko, B-E-C-O company, is going to give me a 30% off coupon. And I believe a 15% off coupon. But these are limited, I think, for 3 days or for 5 days. So as soon as I put that 30% and the 15%, so go and purchase it. I will put the link below. And I just want you to try it because it's a great price. Because I had to buy the wool to make my own, and it's very costly for us. But these people, they have their wools in New Zealand. As you know, there are lots of wools there. So this is more for budgety. It's like, I think $9.99. So I would recommend you to try it. And I am going to give you the more details after I use this in my dryer. And I will just show you my dryer. It's just a front load. It's nothing fancy about it. Here it is. So I just open it. And I will remove these 2. So I will just put the 6 dryer balls with the clothes. And then this way, I will do a couple of loads and I will give you details. What I do is, this is how I do my dryer. When I put the dryer balls, like before when I was not using it, it would all the way go up to here and it'd still be moist, and I would turn it on again, and between then, so the second time around here, I would shut it down. But now I don't have to do that. As soon as I put it on with the balls in, it stops here. So I'm gonna try it with a couple of loads and give you the review for these balls, and I would let you know pretty soon, like right now. Okay, so we're back. I just wanted to show you, remember I was showing you that my dryer balls cut like half of this. Now you can see I'm just only here, and I've been washing several loads and it's been like dry. I'm just shocked of this, really. It's really hard to explain. You need to use this product and then go from there. So I'm just gonna show you. This is like heavy duty blanket and it's totally dry. Oh my God, and it's super soft. Oh boy. Yeah, the balls fall off. See? And remember, I did a tutorial on how to do your doilies, and here's one of my baskets. Oh my God, I can't, like, the words, that it's very hard to explain. As on my tutorial, I showed you how to make my soap from, see, here's one of my jars. I just love this. And I just finished a jar of liquid I made. But so I wash them with this, that soap that I make, and it's super, super soft. You can put essential oils on it, but I didn't because I use Gain, and the Gain already has enough scent in it. But this is dry, so I like this way. I'm cutting. Before I was using balls, like I would dry this. It would go all the way up here, and then it wouldn't be dried, right? So I would start all over again, and I would use the very dry, like all over again. It wouldn't dry, and I would start all over, and then still it would be moist. But this, this is like unbelievable. It's a miracle. So I'm going to be saving lots of energy. So I would highly recommend these balls. So please comment below and I will do a draw. If you want me to ship the ones that I did the renew, I'm happy to do that. Just put that on the comment and I will do a draw for that one, the people that wants. So I'm giving a week starting now as soon as I post this. So and I will put the, as soon as the company sends me the 30% off, 15% off codes, I will put that below on the two videos that I'm going to be loading. This one and then the draw, I'll put that one there. But those are for only for several days, but these are just great. I can't believe how much electric I'm going to be saving. Like this is heavy duty, like it takes forever to dry, and I'm just shocked. So this turned fantastic. And I want to do another I just wanted to mention, like I put my soap, right, my soap that I made. Remember I did a tutorial on how to make the soap. So I let it soak for a little bit and they come super soft with these balls. Oh my God, I washed another load and it just came super soft and white. White, white, white. So I would highly recommend these balls. So again, thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And yeah, put your comments below, and I will do a drawing next week, September 28th. Well, September 27th. I'll give you 1 week. So yeah, give those comments below, and I will ask you to email me for your address. Good luck, everybody.